Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're going to talk about the shelf life of milk. Let's get to it. So before I get into this, I'm going to ask you something. I'm going to ask you a favor. If you're a subscriber and you're watching this video, I'd really love if you'd check out Patreon. I recently joined Patreon as a way to reach out and develop a relationship with my true diehard fans. I'm hoping that's you. I'm going to be releasing ebooks, swag, original content, unique content, live streams. There's gonna be a lot of fun things over there, and you can subscribe for just $1 a month, and that helps me out, creators like me. So check out that, link is in the show notes. Okay, so let's get into how to store milk. So milk's a little tricky, right? Like, it's one of those things that you definitely don't want to drink spoiled milk. So there's the best by date that you'll find on the carton of milk that you buy. The thing about that best by date, that's just the manufacturer saying, hey, this is the date that you want to consume this product by for the best quality, but it's not necessarily the date that it will be unsafe to drink. And that's my cat. Okay, so it's not necessarily the date that it'll be unsafe to drink. So you actually can consume milk for about a week past the best by date, maybe even longer. I'm just gonna pet her over here while she's while she's hanging out on my little table where I have all my notes and everything. So even longer than that. Like, so what it really comes down to is just using common sense. Does the milk look okay? Does it smell okay? If it tastes off or anything like that, when in doubt, just toss it out. But it can actually last past that best by date. One of the things that can affect the milk is also how it's packaged. So, milk that's packaged in glass bottles can actually last a little bit longer past the best by date than milk that's in plastic jugs. Milk that's in those glass bottles, because the glass stays colder when it's transported, it keeps the milk fresher for longer. So it's a little bit more pricier to buy in those glass bottles, but that's just another suggestion for when you're considering it, how long that milk is gonna last. Once the milk is open, jug, glass, plastic, whatever, paper, it doesn't matter. Once that container is open, it only lasts about 5 to 7 days. So be sure you're ready to drink it up. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see something, drop a comment below. If you'd like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. Also, hey, check out Patreon that I mentioned before. Subscribe, you'll get some free swag.